Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and just want to take a second on this Monday. I just can't tell you guys thank you enough, and I just want to show you this. We've now hit 200 subscribers, and it's because of you guys keeping me motivated, keeping me going, watching you guys watching all these videos, giving me feedback. You guys are having to dig and find this stuff, and you're sharing it, and you're posting comments. You're asking for videos, trusting me to do them. It's very humbling. It really truly is. When I'd hear other YouTubers say that, I was like, yeah. But even for this little small channel, it truly is. I can only imagine what it's like for the larger ones to have. But this is a big milestone for me, because I remember it was last year around this time. I had 17. Here, you can look. It was right around here. I think it was 17, 18, something like that. And it's just picked up and picked up and picked up because of you guys. When you guys watch and comment and give me feedback, that spins up how much it's recommended. So just to give you an idea, this is actually how much impressions, how many times. And YouTube now suggests my stuff 10% of the time. These are them throwing it out to you guys because of you guys. And then the click-through rate, let's see if you can see this. Let's shrink it down. So here's the percentage when it gets in front of folks. This is how frequently it gets clicked on. And been getting some awesome feedback about meaning to organize things and getting some playlists. Thank you. That's the stuff I'm talking about. You guys are taking time and helping this channel be what it is. So you guys keep me motivated. You really do. You really, really do. And I just wanted to say thank you. Just take a minute. I know you guys are really taking in. Yeah, check this out. This is the double underscore thing I was talking about this last video. 19 views already, and this is what, 20 when I'm filming this is 20 hours old, I think, after being 26 hours old from being published. I just am blown away by all the views and all the comments, and just thank you. Thank you very much. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for liking. Just thanks for all the support. So you guys have a great day today. Stick to it. And I'll just remind you again, I hope I'm keeping you going, because you're definitely keeping me going. You really, truly are. I've been doing a video a day, I think coming up on 9 months now. Going to be, what video is this one going to be? I lose count, but this is going to be around 320, 326. So appreciate it, guys. Go ahead and give the video a like. This is the kind of video you like. And if you've not subscribed by now, let's just go ahead and get that knocked out of the way, and the notification bell. I don't want you missing anything. Keep those comments, questions, and video requests coming, and I'll get right to them. You guys are awesome. You guys have a great day. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.